Hello all, welcome back to Code Hub. Today let us solve the biweekly contest 95 problem, and the first problem is an easy problem. The first problem is categorize box according to criteria, and let us jump into the problem. Given four integers length, width, height and mass representing the dimensions of the mass of a box respectively, return a string representing the category of the box. So the box is bulky if any of the dimensions of the box is greater or equal to 10 power 4, or the volume of the box is greater or equal to 10 power 9. So the volume of the box is nothing but the product of length, width and the height. And if the mass of the box is greater or equal to 100, it is heavy. If the box is both bulky and heavy, then its category is both. If the box is neither bulky nor heavy, then its category is neither. If the box is bulky but not heavy, then its category is bulky. And if the box is heavy but not bulky, then its category is heavy. So I hope just an implementation problem this is, and it is very simple. So we can have two functions like whether it is bulky and heavy, and we can just check all these conditions by calling those functions. So what I have done here is I have kept a val1 which is the 10 power 4, and I have kept a val2 which is 10 power 9, and I am having a function whether it is a bulky or not, and this function is going to return me whether it is heavy or not. So what is the case for bulky? Whether if the case is the case for the bulky is, there are two cases: whether if all the three if any of the dimensions is greater than or equal to 10 power 4, then we can return true. So that is the case here. And if the volume is greater than or equal to 10 power 9, then also it is bulky, so that I have added here. And for heavy, the only case is if the mass is greater than or equal to 100, then that is heavy. So I have just called these function. Once I have taken the two boolean variables, I have to check all the four conditions. What are the conditions? If it is both bulky and heavy, I am returning both. If both is not bulky and heavy, so we can return neither. And if it is bulky and not heavy, then I am returning bulky. And finally it is going to be definitely heavy only, so we can just return heavy. So I have yeah, I think, yeah, it gets accepted. So hope you like the solution, and this is a pretty simple problem, and there are more than 11k, almost it is a 12k participants who got accepted. So it is a simple problem. So let us see in the next problem, and until then keep coding.